In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers on Discord Mobile. By the end, you'll have your own custom sticker added to a server, ready for members to use. I'll walk you through each tap and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you're on the correct server. Open the Discord app on your phone and go to the server where you want to create stickers. You'll need permission to manage emojis and stickers on that server. So if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with a server admin. It also helps to have your sticker image ready on your device. Stickers work best as clear, high-quality images, ideally with a transparent background. Keep the file size reasonable and use a supported format like PNG or APNG, so Discord accepts it without errors. With the right server open, tap the server name at the very top of the screen. This opens the server menu where you can access administrative options. From there, select Settings. On mobile, this area is where you manage things like roles, channels, emojis, and of course, stickers. Inside Settings, look for the Sticker section and select it. This page shows your server's sticker slots and any stickers that are already added. If you don't see this option, you may not have the required permission, or your app might need an update. Now, select Create Sticker. This opens the creation screen where you'll add your new sticker. Tap to upload your sticker image file from your phone's gallery or file manager. Give Discord a moment to process the file. If you run into an upload issue, double-check the file type and size, and consider trimming any extra space around the artwork so it looks crisp in chat. Next, enter a name for your sticker. Keep the name short, clear, and easy to remember. People will use this name to search for the sticker, so something descriptive is best. Avoid special characters that might make it hard to find later. Once your image is uploaded and your sticker has a name, click Save. That's it. Your sticker is now part of the server's collection. If you ever need to update or remove it, you can come back to the same sticker section in Settings and make changes. And there you go. You've successfully created a sticker on Discord Mobile. If something didn't appear as shown, verify your permissions, check that your app is up to date, and make sure your image meets Discord's basic requirements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your server with your new sticker.